Okay, let's look at this tool, which is called track select forward tool. For example, if we have here some clips, let's have a cut here like this, like this, like this. Okay, I have many clips here, like 4 clips. What if I wanna move them to the right so that I can put something here? Simply, instead of selecting all of them and then drag and drop, it's better to use this tool right here, shortcut A. Okay, so I'll stop wherever I want to begin. So we can stop here and then click and drag to the right. Then we can move everything to the right wherever we click. Okay, like this. Okay, let's click in this empty space and hit delete to be back to this.